Hi, good day everyone. Welcome to Learning with Sonwa. This is our fourth episode where we use In Search of Happiness, this novel written by Sonwa, me, set in South Africa. So we're using this novel, we're using this book to learn isiXhosa as we translate it, going along. This is a novel that's about displacement, about resilience, about intercultural friendships, about so many things within our communities and our society. So while you are learning the language acquisition, you're also getting to learn more about the context of South Africa and some of the challenges that we have and some of the things that make us happy as a country. As you know, first start by practicing our vowels, and if you have not, and if you're starting on this video, my suggestion is that we go to episode 1 and you sort of follow these videos chronologically, because that will give you a full sense of the translation of the book and also the language as well, and learning the language. Our vowels are pronounced differently in isiXhosa. We have R for A is R, and the vowel E is E in isiXhosa. E, we say E, and the vowel I is E. I is E in isiXhosa, and the vowel O is O. O is O. And lastly, the vowel U is U. U is U. And also there are 3 clicks that are quite important to practice. And these are the letters C, X, and Q. The letters C, X, and Q. Starting with the C, C is pronounced. Please say it with me. C is pronounced. And we have the letter X. X is pronounced. X is pronounced. And we also have the letter Q. Q is pronounced. Q is pronounced. So those are the 3 that are quite important to practice and think about. Now, shifting back to the book, today's focus, we're still with the blurb, and I'm going to read the blurb so that you have a full context of what this paragraph is about, and we'll extract a piece that we're going to translate together. So the blurb reads as follows. Nana is 15 when she travels from her village in the Eastern Cape to the city. She is overjoyed to be reunited with her family, even if they are living in a tiny shack. But she struggles to fit in at her new school, and she is shocked at the violence shown to Chino and Agnes, her Zimbabwean neighbors. When she and Agnes become close friends and find love in unexpected places, Nana learns firsthand just how brutal ignorance can be and how hard it is to hold on to happiness. Now that's the blurb, and the part that we're going to focus on now is the last bit of the first sentence. In the village, in the Eastern Cape to the city. In the Eastern Cape to the city. So that's the part that we're looking at. In the Eastern Cape to the city. How would you pronounce that? How would you translate that into isiXhosa? eMpuma Koloni. Now, Mpuma is east for us. Rise, Mpuma, to Puma, to come out. That's east for us. That's east. And the west would be Ntshona, west. And we have these words in isiXhosa as the rise and the set. The sun rises on the east and it sets on the west. So eMpuma Koloni is the Eastern Cape. Cape is the colony, Eastern Cape of South Africa. And north would entla, like top, like north would be entla, and south is bottom, is Zanzi, south is Zanzi. So if you're looking at a compass, and in relation to eMpuma Koloni that we're talking about, the Eastern Cape. So it's in the eastern part of South Africa, and the Western Cape is in the western part of South Africa, We have the Northern Cape, Emantla Africa, Northern Cape, and the Southern. Southern is Ezansi or eMzansi Africa. There's another one. South Africa. The South represented by eMzansi Africa, the southern part of Africa. So that's the translation. In the Eastern Cape, eMpuma Koloni, esiya, going to edolophini, to the city. Now let's say it together. eMpuma Koloni, esiya, edolophini, like going to the city. Edolophini, the dolophi is the city. Going to edolophini. So eMpuma Koloni, going to the city. Now, that's the translation for this. Let's say it one more time. In the Eastern Cape, to the city. eMpuma Koloni, esiya, edolophini. Please say it with me. eMpuma Koloni, esiya, edolophini. Please say it, record yourself, and send it via WhatsApp to this number displayed below. Say eMpuma Koloni, esiya, edolophini. Please share that voice note, and we can work on it together, and continue working on it together. That's one way you can practice saying these words, practice the clicks in isiXhosa, practice the vowels, and get to engage with us and really ask us really anything about South Africa, the context. Ask further questions about the book, and also the book is available for sale. If you'd like to buy the book, it's available for sale. Please check with me on the WhatsApp number provided below, which is +27 79 833 2310. +27 79 833 2310. And if you're within the borders of South Africa, you can just drop the +27 and add a 0 there. 079 833 2310. Yeah, remember to subscribe so that you get notifications of new episodes, and yeah, let's engage together, let's work together, learning a language. I mean, this for me is really stimulating because I get to think about these things. I get to say something in one language and in another. It really stimulates my mind. I hope it's doing the same thing for you, and until next time, this has been Learning with Sonwa, episode 4. We look forward to see you in our next episode, episode 5. Thank you very much.